Welcome to the CCLI Reviews channel, where I give you an up-close and personal look at all sorts of products you can find online, from wireless keyboards to lawn sprinklers and just about everything in between. Then I give you my honest opinion of them. If you're curious, CCLI stands for Cord Cutters LI, my parent channel, where thousands of people have learned to save money on their cable bill. But here at CCLI Reviews, it's all about the products you're interested in. So if you're ready to see what I have to show you today, sit back, relax, and let's go. Well, in this short video, I'm going to show you a new product from iPazzPort that I think some of you are really going to like. I'm holding in my hand their latest product that will allow you to transmit the video and audio from any device that has an HDMI output to a monitor, a TV, a projector, nearly 100 feet away. It's basically an HDMI extender, but doesn't need any cables, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or anything else. These two devices talk completely to one another, and they're paired, ready to go right out of the box. Alright, so let me get started by showing you what's in the box. It's really pretty simple. There are only two things in the box. You basically have a transmitter. This one is labeled source, as you can see. And it has the HDMI plug in one side that you'll plug into your device, and then you plug the other side into a power source. I'll show you what I'm going to use in a minute. It's actually got the source built into it. It's the new Walmart On 4K Streaming Device Pro from Walmart, and I'll get that out in a second. And then the other thing in the box is the receiver. This one is labeled TV or display, and again it has this cable. Let me see here. I think it's roughly 2-3 feet long, these cables. Yeah, it's probably about 2 feet or so in length from where you need to plug in the power at each end, and also the HDMI device. Now, so here, as I said, I'm using the On 4K Pro streaming device. As you know, it has a USB port right in it, and that does provide power. So in this case, all I would need to do is you plug the power into the device itself. You plug this into the HDMI port. This is the source. I'll plug that into there, and then you will plug the USB port into there, as I said, and there you go. You'll see that that lights up blue. It'll blink until it sees the source at the other end. So basically what you do here is you would take the other one. This is the receiver. It's labeled TV display, and you plug this into the device at the other side. In my case, I use this for outside on my projector. For testing purposes, I'm going to plug this into my TV, which is on the other side of this room, just so I can show you how it works. So I'll be right back. As you can see here, I connected the receiver to the back of the TV, and I also connected the USB cable for power into the USB port on the back of the TV. On my TV, and pretty much most TVs nowadays, have power coming out the USB that can be used, plenty of power to power this device at both ends. So on the sending side, I used the USB port from the On 4K Pro, and as you can see, it's now lit blue solid. This means that it is connected and working. And if I take a quick, let me just hold my camera up over to the TV on the other side of the room. Let me show you what I am looking at over there. This is the Google TV interface, and again, works just fine. I can play whatever I'd like to play on there. Let me go ahead and open something up. I'll open up YouTube. And let me go ahead and find one of my videos here for us to play. So there you go. That's as easy as it gets. I'll go ahead and stop that. Basically, I've tested this out. This, of course, is not a very hard test. This is like right across the room. But I've brought this receiver to every TV in my house, and it works just fine. I live in a small ranch house. It's about 60 feet long from end to end. I am at one end of the house right now. This works perfectly fine at the other end of the house in my living room. And also, I brought this out to the projector out last weekend. We watched the Giants game. Unfortunately, they lost. pretty badly. It was kind of close, but it's still a bad loss. But we were able to watch that out at the fire pit using this transmitter and receiver device from iPazzPort. Worked very, very well without a problem whatsoever.